Are you staring at a shelf full of prenatal vitamins, feeling completely overwhelmed? I've been there. Wondering which one is actually worth it, stressing if you're giving your baby everything they need. Well, take a deep breath, because I'm here to simplify it all for you. In today's video, we're cutting through the noise and diving into everything you need to know about prenatal vitamins. Stick with me, and by the end, you'll feel like an expert, ready to confidently choose the perfect prenatal for you and your baby. Let's get into it. Welcome back to Motherhood Journey Queens, where we empower moms with knowledge, confidence, and a little sprinkle of real talk. I've walked this road before, 3 times, in fact. And trust me, prenatal vitamins were a big part of my journey. Whether you're trying to conceive, newly pregnant, or already well into your pregnancy, I'm here to break it all down for you. Today's video will cover why prenatal vitamins are so important, the key nutrients you absolutely need, how to choose the best one for you, and even some tips to deal with common challenges like nausea and digestion issues. So grab a cup of tea, get comfortable, and let's talk about taking care of you and your little one. Alright, let's start with the big question: why are prenatal vitamins such a big deal? Here's the thing, your body is about to do something extraordinary. Growing a tiny human takes a lot of energy and resources. And even if you eat a healthy diet, it can be almost impossible to get all the nutrients you and your baby need just from food. Think of prenatal vitamins as your safety net, filling in the gaps to support your baby's growth and your health. During pregnancy, your body works overtime to build a brain, heart, bones, and everything else your baby needs. Prenatal vitamins ensure you're giving them the best start possible. They're also a lifesaver for you. They help prevent deficiencies that can leave you feeling tired, nauseous, or run down. Simply put, they're an essential part of a healthy pregnancy. Now let's talk about the stars of the show, the nutrients in prenatal vitamins. Here are the ones you should absolutely be looking for. 1. Folic acid, or folate. This is non-negotiable. Folic acid helps prevent neural tube defects, which affect the brain and spinal cord. You'll want at least 400 to 800 micrograms daily, ideally starting before you even conceive. If you've heard of methylfolate, it's a more bioavailable form that can be easier for your body to use. 2. Iron. Your blood volume increases during pregnancy, and iron helps make extra red blood cells for you and your baby. A good prenatal should include around 27 milligrams of iron to prevent anemia and fatigue. Some formulas even use gentle iron, which is easier on your stomach. 3. Calcium and vitamin D, these two work hand in hand. Calcium supports your baby's developing bones and teeth, while vitamin D helps your body absorb calcium effectively. Aim for 1000 milligrams of calcium and 600 IU of vitamin D daily. 4. DHA, omega-3 fatty acids. DHA is crucial for your baby's brain and eye development. Some prenatals include it, but if not, you can take a separate DHA supplement. Look for at least 200 to 300 milligrams daily. 5. Iodine, essential for your baby's brain and thyroid development. Make sure your prenatal includes 150 micrograms. 6. Choline, this nutrient is often overlooked but is vital for brain development. Most prenatals don't include enough choline, so consider a separate supplement if needed. Aim for 450 milligrams daily. 7. Vitamin B6 and B12, these are energy boosters and can help with morning sickness. B12 is particularly important if you're vegetarian or vegan. 8. Magnesium and zinc, these minerals support muscle function, reduce cramps, and boost your immune system. Magnesium is also a personal favorite for calming those restless legs at night. Not all prenatal vitamins are created equal, so how do you choose the right one? Here are my top tips: check the label, look for the nutrients we just covered and make sure they're in the right amounts. Too little won't help, but too much of some vitamins can also be harmful. Consider your needs. If you're vegan, vegetarian, or have dietary restrictions, choose a prenatal that aligns with your lifestyle. Many brands now cater to specific needs, like plant-based or allergen-free options. Delivery method: pills, gummies, powders, they all work, but pick the one you'll actually take consistently. During my first trimester, I couldn't handle pills, so I switched to gummies. Just watch out for added sugars in gummy vitamins. Third-party testing: choose a brand that's been tested for quality and purity. Look for certifications to ensure your vitamins are free from contaminants. Consult your doctor. Your healthcare provider can guide you to the best choice based on your individual needs and health history. Let's get real. Prenatal vitamins can be a little tricky sometimes. Here's how to tackle common issues. 1. Nausea: if your prenatal makes you queasy, try taking it with food or right before bed. You can also look for a formula designed for sensitive stomachs. 2. Constipation: iron can sometimes slow things down. Stay hydrated, eat fiber-rich foods, or choose a prenatal with a gentle iron formula. 3. Forgetfulness: set an alarm or pair taking your vitamin with another daily habit, like brushing your teeth. 4. Finding the right brand: don't be afraid to try a few options until you find the one that works best for you. Here's a little insight into my journey. During my first pregnancy, I was overwhelmed by the sheer number of options. I ended up picking a random prenatal and struggled to take it consistently. By my second pregnancy, I'd learned a lot. I found a gummy prenatal with DHA that was easier on my stomach and actually tasted good. By my third pregnancy, I worked with a nutritionist to find a formula tailored to my needs, including extra choline and magnesium. Each pregnancy taught me something new, and I hope sharing my experience helps you avoid some of the guesswork. Mama, you've got this. Choosing the right prenatal vitamin might seem overwhelming at first, but remember, it's all about finding what works best for you and your baby. Take your time, do your research, and trust your instincts. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with other moms-to-be. Until next time, keep glowing and growing. Before you go, drop a comment below. What's been your biggest challenge with prenatal vitamins? Let's share tips and support each other in this amazing community.